of the encounter operation in Kulgam in South Kashmir. Firing is currently underway in Kulgam as we speak. Deferred visuals of which are on your screens right now. The encounter operation is underway in the Chavalgam area of Kulgam. And Zeenat, our Kashmir Bureau Chief, now joins us live for more on this. Zeenat, we understand that joint troops of the Rashtriya Rifles, the police and the CRPF are engaged in a counter operation over there and have, in a sense, surrounded that area. Give us more details.
See, we need to understand this is the first operation that has entered in the second day after a very long time in South Kashmir, because nowadays we are witnessing in operations which are go over almost in a span of 2 to 4 hours. But this is the first operation after Shopian in Kulgam that has entered the second day, where yesterday one of the local terrorists was neutralized and one more is still trapped. Yesterday evening the forces tried to carry the search operation after getting notion that the encounter is over because they have killed the second terrorist. But while they were doing the search, they again received a fire from the terrorists. With the result, the operation continued. Although during midnight, the operation was halted because of the darkness and all. But now again it started and the firing is still continuing. What is important for the security forces in Kashmir at present is because there were a lot of input as far as the Fedayeen attack was concerned. So yesterday, one of the terrorists who was from the crew Pampur, he was neutralized by Srinagar SOG and who has been identified as Amir Riaz. Now we are also seeing the Al-Sad releasing an audio on Amir, because he is the same one who was the cousin of the terrorist who carried the Latpora Pulwama attack. So we are seeing that terrorists are hell-bent to disturb peace on ground by taking to the vital installation, targeting the security forces, or for that matter, carrying the targeting killing in the Kashmir Valley. But we are also seeing the way the alertness has come from the Jammu Kashmir Police along with Indian Army and the CRPF, because they were able to generate this kind of input much earlier. That is why we have been seeing the number of equipments being put on place, whether it is Srinagar or the outskirts, so that the Fedayeen or any such kind of attack or the target killing is not carried by the terrorists. Because day before yesterday, a policeman was killed. Next day, a salesman was killed. They tried to hurl grenade. Then yesterday in Kulgam, they got an input about the terrorists being trapped in one of the residential areas. Cordon and Casso was launched. One terrorist was neutralized there. Second is still there. He is trapped. The retaliation is also coming from the security forces. Meanwhile, the action was also shifted to Srinagar, where again the Fedayeen was trapped. He was neutralized, and by somewhere around early, he was killed. Though arms and ammunition were recovered, but it took some time for the SOG Srinagar to sanitize the entire area, because the operation was launched in a very congested locality of Srinagar. So overall, we see it is coming for a success for the securities, but at the same time, they have to be very careful, because the kind of planning is coming from the Pakistan, where they are instructing their people in Kashmir that how to carry and where and whom to target in Kashmir Valley.
All right, Zeenat bringing us all those details. Thank you.